Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe was a man of many parts. He was a detribalized Nigerian, ever ready to forgive his foes and accept them as friends. He chastised friends, and those who did not understand his chastisement became embittered. But some who later understood such chastisement came back into the fold. Leader of Pan-Africanism and mentor of such great people such as Dr. Kwame Nkrumah and Dr. Nwafor Rezu. Zik was a great rainbow that was often underestimated but sooner or later fully appreciated. He was a sportsman, a politician, a polemicist, a poet, and a romantic family man who was still able to even divide his time between family and task of nation building in the same spirit of a younger admirer, Nelson Mandela.
In conclusion, Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe was a man of great intellect. He was a man of great and varied dimensions. It will do good if Nigeria brings out a day, say his birthday or the day he died, as a holiday, in order for us to remember his battle to bring about independence and to bring about the unity of one Nigeria.
So, Calabar, Ogoja, Rivers. You know, when you go to these conferences, I think you should know what is meant by mixed grill. Looking through here, I found out that Ogoja, Rivers, and the Calabar are not represented. Then he said, Calabar people go out, bring me, you give us some number. Ogoja go out, bring so many numbers. Rivers go out, then we will go out amongst ourselves, selected, bring this, then we take it and mix it up with the majority people and the executive. I am asking Nigeria today, do you call that a tribalism?
That's a big question to me.
The opposite view, Zik was, is, and will be the greatest African that ever lived. Indeed. I met him first in 1937 when he came to Onitsha to give a lecture. That lecture was presided over by an Irish philosopher called Dr. Stuart Young. It was there that this told us about this philosophy, which he described as such. He said, I quote him now, I am a living spirit of an idea. I hear of a new Africa.
That's appreciation of Nigerians for this birthday. Thank you. I believe that dialogue is the way out of any problem, any personal problem. And I believe that other politicians should relate to willing.
The pioneer newspaper, the West African Pilot. The motto of the West African Pilot was show the light and the people will enjoy it. Zik came to show the light. And he did everything that was possible, that could possibly be done to show the light. But I doubt very much if we in Nigeria really found the way. If we found the way, and we really following the way he showed us.